expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
טוב, good. הגלידה הזאת ממש טובה. This ice cream is really good. נהדר, wonderful. For the word wonderful, we have another word in Hebrew, which is maybe more similar to the word in English because it has the word wonder in it. And this is nifla. So nifla and nehedar, they have very similar meaning. You can use each of them for the word wonderful. הקונצרט היה נהדר, or הקונצרט היה נפלא, which means the concert was wonderful. רע, bad. הפלאפל הזה לא רע בכלל. This falafel is not bad at all. No falafel is bad. בבקשה, please. בבקשה, it means please, but it can also mean there you go. So you can say, אפשר לקבל מים בבקשה? Can I have water, please? And when you give someone water, you can also say, בבקשה. There you go. סליחה, excuse me. It means excuse me or sorry. So when you like push through people in the bus, you can go, סליחה, סליחה, סליחה. But when you step on someone on the bus, you can also say, אוי, סליחה, I'm sorry. להתראות, see you. It literally means to see each other again. So it's like, to see each other again. להתראות. It's also very casual. בסדר. Okay. This is a very, very useful word. You can say it when someone asks you, how are you? בסדר. You can say it to show you understand something. When someone gives you direction, you're like, בסדר. It literally means in order, like everything's in order. לחכות, to wait, like to wait in line, לחכות בתור. חיכיתי שעות בתור לפלאפל. I waited for hours in the line for the falafel. Oh, don't worry, it never happens. לקנות, to buy. אין לי כסף, אז אני לא יכולה לקנות כלום. I don't have money, so I can't buy anything. לדעת, to know. How could I know? איך הייתי יכולה לדעת? להיות, to be. כשאני אהיה גדולה, אני רוצה להיות רופאה. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. להיות. מספר, number. מה מספר הדירה שלך? What is your apartment number? קבוצה, group. יש קבוצה גדולה של אנשים מחוץ לחלון שלי. There's a big group of people outside my window. And they're noisy. עובדה, fact. חתולים הם אדירים, וזאת עובדה. Cats are awesome, and that's a fact. בעיה, problem. אני יכולה לתקן לך את המחשב, זאת לא בעיה. I can fix your computer, it's not a problem. Definitely can't. Okay, we'll see you next time, bye! That's kind of something my grandma would say. Who chose these words? Never had any complaints yet.